Sparrow versus Johnson. Please raise your right hand. It's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Johnson, tell me what the plan is.
The plan is for child support, like where we're gonna be 50-50, and she'll have my son for 1 week, and then I have my son for another week.
All right, where do you live, sir? Area?
I live in DeKalb, Stone Mountain.
All right, and where does Miss Sparrow Johnson live?
Same place.
Same place?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, and whose school district is the child in?
She's in both we're both school teachers, so he's in both our districts.
What now?
We're both school teachers.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm at in DeKalb, and she's in DeKalb too as well.
Okay, but what school district, which address is she using for school?
He's using our home address for school.
He or she?
She is in college. He is the minor.
Okay, I'm dealing with the minor. Minor is a male.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, why'd you bring up the adult female? Why'd you bring up the adult child? Mr. Johnson, you said she.
No, I say he.
Oh, okay. All right. And he is using whose address?
He's using our home address.
Yes.
We still currently reside in the same home. He has not purchased his home yet. So we're cohabitating in the same home, all of us. Although he has signed over the home to me. So technically right now he's just a tenant.
Yeah. So where do you plan on moving, Mr. Johnson?
I have between about 6 months, 6 to 2 months to a year, but soon, I can save up some more money and soon.
She said where and not when.
Oh,
where?
In DeKalb, hopefully close as possible, because I work in DeKalb as well, so I'm trying to stay close to my job.
Okay, because the 50-50 normally, if I do a 50-50 custody, I need parents to do that. They got to be close.
Yes.
And so, and normally I do that when you've had some sort of establishment. Like right now, you haven't established that. You might move to I don't know, Kennesaw, and then it doesn't make it. I know that's what they say.
Yeah.
He works like right around the corner from where we currently live. So it's not that much of a risk that he would want to move far away. And also our son goes to school right in our district as well. That's not a concern for me at all.
Yeah, and I get that. And I do appreciate it. And I wish all that circumstances well. But unfortunately, I've been doing this well enough and long enough to know that the well wishes and things you think that won't ever happen somehow magically happens. And so I like to try to take in consideration those reality of things, even though for you right now, you can't feel it. It doesn't fathomable like it can happen, but it does. And it happens a lot where someone will end up moving, they'll meet somebody, marry someone else who actually works someplace farther off. And it becomes a lot more difficult than you imagine. Think, oh, it can't happen until you meet someone who has to work in Kennesaw. And then all of a sudden you move to Kennesaw and this becomes a little bit, you can't see it happening. And then it's not even something that you say, oh, that's far off. No, this could be in 2 months. I've seen it consistently. So I can't pretend it doesn't happen. I know it feels like it can't for you. And I do appreciate that. And I'm hoping everything works well, but we're going to put something in place so I can make sure this is what you're going to do. So Mr. Johnson, if you want me to sign this order, I'm going to limit where you live. Do you want me to do that?
Sure. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you a limit of 20 minutes from the current home.
Okay, that's fine.
Right, and right now, child's in the same household, going to the same doctor. Y'all don't have any issues with the dentist. all of those things would be remaining the same. And right now you're in the same household.
Yes.
Yes.
And when you move off and you're in a different household, are y'all on the same page with regard to homework, school time,
Yes.
Yes.
religion?
Yes, we co-parent quite well. We've been separated for about 8 years. So we've kind of already been in this situation for a while.
Okay, 8 years, but y'all living in the same household?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have been separated. We don't,
Right.
we're not together. We have not been together for 8 years.
Right.
It's
But
just
when it comes to our kids, we
we just
make
thought it
sure
was the
we
best
do.
for our children.
And that works. Okay, I like it. Okay, so so what I'm gonna do then? Okay, so have you all considered who's gonna be primary?
Yes, I'm listed as
you want-
primary.
Okay, so you'll make that decision as well.
Mhm.
Mom is going to make all decisions.
Yes, we understand that anything that we don't agree on, like I would have the final say.
Okay, so so there will be discussion, but mom will have final say.
Mhm.
Okay, is that Mr. Johnson? I want you to on the record that that's an okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we'll have final. Okay. Let's see. And now dealing with child support, your position was you didn't want it. Give me your salary range, Miss Johnson.
Close to 70, I think.
All right, and Mr. Johnson?
70.
Around 80.
Okay, so you make a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so generally when it's 50-50 like that, the non-custodial parent then becomes has the ability to get child support, right? But then that child support is offset by the fact that y'all are doing 50-50. In other words, Ms. Johnson, you would be giving up some child support even though it's 50-50 because he makes slightly more than you. So you probably are giving up about maybe $300 a month.
Mm-hmm.
But because it's 50-50, I'm and your salaries generally are similar. I'm willing to do the zero child support, but I want you to be mindful that that is what you're leaving on the table. Do you understand that, Ms. Johnson?
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
But I also do the health insurance for the children, or at least for him. So
right, and it might
that balances it out.
It probably will balance it out. It could balance it out as well. So I haven't done the numbers because that's why we're having this hearing to determine whether I'm willing to do the numbers or let it be. Mm-hmm. Are you asking for the numbers?
No.
Okay. Yeah. And I'm not saying it would be one or the other, because you're right. That probably could balance it right on out and there wouldn't be anything left on the table. But right now I'm accepting your position that you're making your salaries about equal. And to the extent that there is this small amount, either way, you're okay with, both of you are okay with releasing it, correct?
That's correct.
Yes.
All right. And you think that you're able to take care of the child without that additional child support, correct, Ms. Johnson? Okay.
Correct.
And you find that it's in your child's best interest not to have father pay any child support, correct?
That's correct.
And the child would not suffer for this, for any lack of child support. Is that correct, Ms. Johnson?
That's correct.
All right, then the court is going to grant your request for no child support. And let's see, what else if we have everything in. All right, so did you both take the divorcing seminar?
Yes, in the parenting thing class as well? Is that what you're referring to?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You said you have one adult child that's a female, correct?
That's correct.
All right. And how old is your female? If you're a female child, how old is your child?
She's 18. She's a freshman in college.
Oh, okay. Oh, got your freshman. Okay.
Mhm.
Where did she go?
She goes to Fort Valley.
Fort Valley. All right. All right. Very good. Congratulations on that. She just started this fall, man.
Oh,
Mhm.
she'd be nice.
How's the house sound? Quiet.
Not
That-
not with that little one. Nope.
Oh.
That was Kylan.
I know how that is. I got one off to college. I got one in the house now, but it's quiet for some reason. All right. All right. Then I think I have everything. Hold on for 1 second. Let me meet with Miss Harris just to make sure, and then I'll release you. One moment. Miss Marsha, put me in breakout room, Miss Harris.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Johnson, how much do you pay a month in insurance?
About 300.
Does that sound right to you, Miss Johnson?
Yes.
All right. So, like I said, we're gonna do the child support worksheet. We're gonna zero out those numbers. It will be a part of the file because it's by law. I have to give the child support, and if I don't, I have to articulate why I'm not doing it. So
Okay.
the numbers will be there, but I've already indicated what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Okay.
All right, and I think you all are done. I already swore you in, right?
Yes.
All right. You're Sparrow Johnson. That's that correct?
Yes. And I just wanted to make sure that my maiden name will be restored.
I'm gonna get to that now.
Okay.
You've been a resident of the state of Georgia for more than 6 months prior to filing this action.
Yes.
And when were you married?
2004. 4404.
And when did you separate?
Labor Day about 8 years ago.
2015. I think 2015 Labor Day.
Labor Day of 2015.
I believe so.
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Johnson, you acknowledge service of process and jurisdiction of this court?
Yeah. Yes.
Is it your position, Ms. Sparrow Johnson, that you have submitted to the court the parenting plan, child support, your settlement agreement, and a parenting plan that's to your satisfaction?
Yes.
Same to your satisfaction, Mr. Johnson?
Yes.
Oh, and Ms. Harris, did you say there was a settlement agreement on that file?
Yes, ma'am. It's all initial.
With initials? Okay. All right. Is it your position, Ms. Sparrow Johnson, this marriage is irretrievably broken?
Yes.
Any hope of reconciliation?
No hope.
And Mr. Johnson, is it your position this marriage is irretrievably broken?
Yes.
With any hope of reconciliation?
No.
Then the court is going to grant the divorce, indicating that you're legally divorced with the right to remarry, and that the settlement agreement shall become a part of the decree. Ms. Johnson, is it your request to have your name restored to Sparrow?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's Sprowal?
Correct.
All right. And you want to do that now?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have a middle initial, a middle name?
Yes, it's Makiba, Makeba.
Makeba.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
All right. That's Tyasha.
Correct.
All right. That will be the name that the court will restore you to. You'll need to call down to the clerk's office so you can figure out how to get a certified copy of that document so you can take it to your governmental agencies. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all are free to leave.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Y'all take care.